Hey guys, welcome back to All Round Parties. I'm Lily and today I have someone new for you to meet. This is my little helper Brie. Now Brie, what are we going to be doing today?
Today we're gonna make some slime.
Some slime. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we've moved into the kitchen. Now this is perfect that Brie's here today because I've never actually made slime all by myself, but Brie, you've done a lot, haven't you?
Yes.
Alright, so can you tell me how we start?
So, Lily, actually, there's two ways that you can do it to make it actually work.
And which way are we going to do it?
But today we're going to do it this way, which is just...
So there are two different ingredients. This is a slime maker, so it has all of the instructions on the back. But we're going to do it a different way today. So you can probably buy this at, where did you get this, Brie?
We just got it at like anywhere. You can get it at
Woolies.
Kmart, yeah. Not as much Woolies, maybe, but we just got at Kmart or like anywhere close where you get this kind of stuff.
So they're easy to find. You guys can grab that if you want to, but follow along for the rest of the video if you want to see how we're going to do it today. Alright guys, all the equipment you're going to need today is a bowl, a cup, a teaspoon. We're going to use some yellow food coloring, some borax, some glue, and hot water. That's all you need. Now go.
Step one is you've got to get your glue and open the lid to make it much quicker and easier. And you're just gonna wait till it all eventually comes out. And if you don't want to use the whole thing, you don't have to, but you can use as much as you want.
As you can see, we haven't put too much in. It's just covering the bottom of the bowl. All the glue, and now we're going to put some yellow in.
Dip the end in.
The end of the spoon.
No.
Oh, that's a lovely colour. I reckon we keep it at that. It's banana yellow.
Yeah. Perfect.
I'm going to fill up to about halfway through this cup of boiling water. Now be careful, you might want to get a responsible adult to do this for you because it is very hot.
Next step is to get some borax and put about that much, so just a tablespoon, and put it in your water and just mix. You're going to take slowly, just tablespoon, just a little bit, and pour it in and start mixing around. So now that we've got it into a good consistency, even if it's not in this consistency yet, just lay it out and start playing with it. And eventually it will get nicer and nicer and you continue playing with it.
Right, so you knead it into the perfect consistency for slime.
Yeah.
You know guys, if you want to spice things up a little bit, you could add sparkles or even make two different batches because you can see how simple and quick that was, and then mix those colours together. What colours do you reckon would be nice, Ruby?
Or blue, purple, or pink.
Yeah,
You mix them together and add some sparkles. They could be a galaxy theme or any type of thing you like. Doesn't have to be a thing, but
Yeah, I like it. It sounds cool. Maybe we should do that next time.
yeah, maybe.
Thanks everyone for joining us.